So in today's video, I'm going to look to answer for you, what is a pinched nerve? And do I maybe have it? So pinched nerve is a really vague description of what symptoms you might be feeling. Once again, my name is Dr. Gregg Gerstin, and I've been helping people to remove the blockages in their health for the last 20 years through natural means without drugs and surgery. If this is interesting to you, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, or know someone who's been suffering with a pinched nerve or thinks they may be. Go ahead and forward this along to them so they can understand what's going on and maybe find some solutions. So once again, a pinched nerve. That's a really vague description to describe how an issue may feel. So a pinched nerve is not really necessarily a medical diagnosis, but when we think about it, it kind of feels the way it sounds. So it feels as though there's something being pressed on and the area winds up being tight and painful. There's a variety of different diagnoses that can cause you to feel that pinched nerve, from anything such as a sprain or a strain all the way up to a disc herniation and or sequestry of a disc in the spine. These are all the varieties, but a pinched nerve can feel like something localized, whether it's in your neck or in your lower back, just in that area. Or it can be something that winds up going from your neck all the way down your arm to your hand. It is a very broad definition, and really the best person to wind up getting care for or figuring out what's causing the nerve to be pinched winds up being a corrective chiropractor. If you're wondering where or how to find one, go ahead and write down below in the comments. We're constantly looking at these to make sure we connect you with the right person. And if we don't have someone that's right for you, we may guide for you to join me on a discovery call to figure out what's your next best step. If you're wondering on what to do about a pinched nerve, I'm going to refer you to my 4 favorite things to do if you've got inflammation or swelling in your lower back. These are really great. They can kind of be applied to the neck or the lower back, and they'll help you out a ton. If you've got more questions, write them down below. We're constantly answering the questions here. And once again, I want to thank you for letting me be a part of your health.